rope in uh, Chaitali Mandotra into this conversation. Chaitali, this is obviously the right way to do things, but the fact of the matter is, uh, you know, shelters are needed, a system is needed, infrastructure is mandatory. It is not only for dogs, it's also for a number of other strays that find themselves completely relegated into this metropolitan system.
First of all, I would welcome this order of Honorable Supreme Court, but I would disagree to a bit of what Kamana ji said, because she referred to dog haters. I don't think anybody hates dog, and it is only the circumstances, right? It is only the circumstances which make you feel that way. Yeah, I definitely feel that the practicality of that shelter being made, and that too a time frame of 8 weeks given for it. That was really not practical, and more so, it was not healthy for the dogs. That is for sure. But definitely, why have we reached to this? Whatever right now we are facing. What is the reason? Because it is not that immunization and the vaccination is new, the sterilization is new for us. This has been part of a municipality, I think, all across India, but it has failed. It has literally failed. And I am skeptical about how far it is going to help in future, because abhi tak to there has not been very good results of it. Definitely, if they had honestly done something about it, it would definitely have worked. And another thing that, one thing was good about the feeding points that the Supreme Court has today referred to. But what I am a bit doubtful about is ward wise feeding points, because if I talk about Gurgaon has only 36 wards. So a person has to run kilometers to feed a dog, because I don't think more than one or two feeding points are going to be there for wards. So that also is going to be impractical. And one more thing that has been referred to is about aggressive dogs, which could be taken. Now, the very problem is that the two sides differ. One side says no dog is aggressive. A dog is aggressive only if the dog is poked. The other side says that there is no such thing. It is there have been so many cases where the dog has not been poked, but still the child or whosoever has been attacked. So again, that is also something which needs to be worked upon. And one thing is good, and I would say that this would actually work if the dog lovers who call the other part as dog haters, they actually adopt the dogs. I think a big issue will be resolved, if because there have been too many dog lovers in every society. We being in RWA, we bear the brunt of both sides. So I feel that if the dogs are adopted, I definitely feel that it's going to help.